What's the meaning of Africa? Africa. 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 Africa is a continent located in the southern hemisphere that covers about 1/5 of the world's land area. It is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, and the Indian Ocean to the east. Africa is home to over 1.3 billion people, making it the second most populous continent in the world. It is known for its diverse cultures, wildlife, natural resources, and rich history. Despite facing various challenges such as poverty, conflict, and disease, Africa remains a vibrant and resilient continent with immense potential for growth and development.